Arthritis can lead to impaired hand function and can cause difficulty while trying to accomplish daily tasks such as gardening, typing, or simply trying to open a jar. This is where arthritis gloves come in. They are known to improve blood circulation and help relieve pain and swelling, stiff joints and other arthritis symptoms. There are many products available to choose arthritis gloves, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best arthritis gloves from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Copper Compression Full Finger Arthritis Gloves. This is the only full finger compression glove on our list, which makes it quite unique, providing support for your entire hand. From fingertips to wrist. You'll notice similarities between this product and the copper compression gloves mentioned previously. Designed by the same company, they guarantee that their arthritis gloves and sleeves contain the highest copper content of all others on the market. These full finger gloves allow you to retain adequate range of motion while performing daily chores, working at your computer, or doing other activities. They are designed for 24-hour comfort while keeping your joints, muscles and tendons warm all day long. Due to the high-quality fabric, these gloves promise to retain their functions over time, but if you are unsatisfied, your purchase comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. One complaint from users is that these gloves don't work with touchscreen devices, while persons with small hands have noted that the smallest size offered is still too large for them. Nevertheless, if you need a comfortable full-finger option with high copper content that you can wear all day long, you can't go wrong with this one. Number 2. Thermoskin Premium Arthritic Gloves. This glove offers 6 different sizing options, ranging from X small to XX large, and is anatomically shaped for even compression and warmth. It is designed to capture your body's heat and provide natural relief from the pain of arthritis and sore joints in your hands and fingers. It is also clinically proven to increase skin temperature and blood flow. The Thermoskin gloves offer a strong grip due to the textured outer layer. The inside is lined with trioxin, which provides firm compression to the hand, helps to increase blood flow, and offers added comfort. These gloves tend to run small in size according to some users, and the company does not offer a return policy, so pay special attention to the sizing chart before purchase. However, the gentle heat therapy provided by the Thermoskin gloves might be the perfect solution for your stiff, painful joints. Number 3. Dr. Fredericks Original Grippy Arthritis Gloves. These fingerless gloves are made of 88% cotton and 12% spandex, and are designed not just for comfort and breathability, but to reduce pain and stiffness. It provides mild compression, focusing on the pressure points in your hand, while providing symptomatic relief from swelling, base of thumb pain, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other problems. Dr. Fredericks gloves are available in sizes, small, medium and large, but the tags on the inside can irritate the skin, as noted by several users. It is, however, one of the cheapest options on our list and is breathable and comfortable, so if you're on a budget, this is a good option to try. Positive side of this product: breathable and comfortable, focuses on pressure points, inexpensive, compatible with various types of arthritis. Number 4. Comfy Brace Arthritis Hand Compression Gloves. These gloves are designed to provide increased mobility all day, and are made with high-quality cotton spandex material. It promises immediate results, and you can cook dinner, walk your dog, use your computer or run errands while wearing this glove. Ideal for muscle soreness, swelling, tingling and arthritis pain, the Comfy Brace is woven with moisture wick fabric to help with proper blood circulation and dexterity. Unlike others on the list who had issues with stitching, this therapeutic glove features ergonomic stitching to ensure durability. These were designed to fit the contours of your hand, and there are 3 sizes to choose from. You'll also receive an ebook with exercise and lifestyle tips when you purchase your Comfy Brace. Users have complained about improper sizing and inadequate compression with this glove. Number 5. IMAC Compression Arthritis Gloves. This glove was designed by an orthopedic surgeon to deliver relief from carpal tunnel syndrome, arthritis, stiffness and associated aches and pains. It offers mild compression, improving pore circulation while providing warmth. It is made with a soft, breathable fabric, and is comfortable to wear at home or the office, day or night. The IMAC Compression Arthritis Gloves are the only one on our list that has received an ease of use commendation from the Arthritis Foundation. It means that the foundation found that this product can simplify the lives of persons living with arthritis. It has also been evaluated by persons with arthritis and tested by experts in the field. Available in gray and black, and in sizes small, medium and large, IMAC's fingerless gloves can be worn while knitting, gardening or performing other tasks. They were specially designed to make your life easier, and can help to improve circulation and offer relief from your symptoms. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.